Hi guys, welcome to Condy Press. Recently, AI have been trending and then I can't just hold it any longer. I have to expose you to the enormous power of this ChatGPT, OpenAI playground and how you can use it for your better productivity. Are you a student or you are a researcher, you are an entrepreneur or you are a content creator? This video is for you because OpenAI is for everybody. And the funniest thing is that it's free. So why are you not going to use it? Before we get started, click on the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell button so you'll be the first to notify when I publish my next video. So if you are watching from any other social media, don't forget to like, comment, and follow. So let's get started. Locate Google Chrome or any browser of your choice and go to this website, chat.openai.com. I will leave the link in the description or on the comment section. So sometimes you might go to this website and I might tell you that we are at capacity right now. That means the app is updating, they are updating it. Don't worry, sometimes just either you reload it, it might come back, or if it's not come back, I will show you the other one that will be readily available every time. It's called Playground. So I will show you that. But let's just start now. Now start by signing up. So put your email. I will use condypress@gmail.com. So put your password. They will ask you to verify email. So just go to your email and verify it. So I click it. Voila, the email has been verified now. I just like browser Google Chrome. So after verify, just click login. So you fill your normal information. This is not compulsory. You can just leave it. Your phone number for verification. So they will send you a code. Now, so I will just put the code 224525. So you are verified. They will now ask you what you want to be using the OpenAI for, and just say I'm exploring for personal use. So guys, from the OpenAI dashboard, so just click this icon and then go to playground. Yeah, this is the playground, and we'll be using this playground later because most of the time when you try using ChatGPT, it might not be available. So, but for now we use ChatGPT. Click on look for ChatGPT, open it now, and then you are on the ChatGPT. This is the AI that will do a lot of things for us. So like I said, you can use ChatGPT to ask anything. Assuming I'm a student and they give us an assignment on cryptocurrency and they say we should write about it, so I can just tell ChatGPT, friend, voila, you send it and it generates a lot of stuff for you. Wow, see enormous thing that ChatGPT is generating for me. Now I'm able to do my assignment. Hola, that's cool. Like you can use it for your best productivity. Save some title at the top so you can easily add it now. If you click add, it's already add to your questions, your chat with it. So I like dark mode, that's why I'm on dark mode there. I'm on dark mode. At the same time, it's good to as a student, you can use it for a lot of research work and anything, you can ask it anything. Let us assume they give you a seminar to write on politics and anything, just ask it like, help me write about politics and the need for United Nations. Something like that, just ask it any question. Hola, it generates a lot of stuff for you too. So it depends on what you want to use it for. Just know how to structure the question and give it well what it needs. Okay, and then if you're generating a lot of things that is for you, you can just stop it here, stop generating. Hola is enough. Let us assume now you want to summarize something. You can say, okay, summarize the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. So the summary of the book, voila, is generating it. It's writing the summary of the book for me. So this app have enormous power of what you want to use it for. Let's assume you are a content creator, you want to write a post on your Facebook and you don't even know what to write, or just need the idea about something. Let's say you can talk to it directly. I want to write a post about the need for sharing loves on co-worker, greeting in office, especially in the morning. So now you can tell it now, help me write a Facebook post on the above. Send. That's it, generating it for us. Starting a day with a friendly greeting can set a positive and productive work day. See now, that you are super power. See it now, it will even give you an hashtag. See hashtag morning greeting co-worker positive. See a lot of content. So now that is it. You can use it for a lot of content creation. Yeah. Let's assume you're a lover boy and there is this girl that you see, and you want to write a kind of letter to her or a post on to her chat. Just want to slide into her DM. You can tell ChatGPT and he'll help you to write it. Like, help me write a letter to my crush, and let us even give it a name. Tell her how much I love her from the first day. So hola. ChatGPT is doing a lot of things for me. I wanted to take this moment to express my feeling from the first day I met you. I knew that there's something special. Wow. Wow. See a lot of things that ChatGPT generates. So you can see to write anything that you want to write. It depends on like how you know what information to give it, and for it to produce a lot of good things, you have to give it the good information to like let it know what you want to write about, or let it know the idea that you are looking for. Let us assume now I'm a lecturer and I want to go and deliver a lecture on a specified topic. I just say, you can tell it directly, I want to deliver a lecture on data analysis. It depends on what you want. Or you can say, give me a tip on better presentation and some key points of data analysis. Hola, send it and wait. It's giving me a tip now. Keep it simple. Use visual chart graphics. Use examples. Be prepared. These are the tips that it's giving me now, and then it's going to give me some key points now. The key point of data analysis, we have collection of data, we have cleaning of data. See, it's giving me a lot of things. EED, exploring data. See, this is super cool. This is like wow. ChatGPT is really crazy. Like, can produce a lot of stuff. So if it's enough for you, you can just click on stop generating, and then you can ask it anything. Like I said, it can be your assistant, it can be your writer, but most of the time you can check the content and modify it to your own, do it to what you like, something like that. It does not matter that you should just be copy and paste direct. You can always modify it. So the same thing, you can use it to write anything. Let's assume I'm an artist and I'm writing a song, and I want to generate a rhymes. You can say generate. You can give it number, maybe 10 or 20 rhyme with word good gush. You can use it for anything that you want to use it for. It depends on what you want to do. Hola, let's assume I'm looking for a job and I want you to write an application letter for me for a company that I'm applied to. So I can say help me. It does not matter you put help me, you can just say write. It depends on how you want to interact with it. Write an application letter for web developer. I have 6 years experience in web design. University of Lokoja as an example, and just give it more information. Just send. See, it's giving me a sample of application letter. See now. I'm writing a letter to express my needs in this company, and he's giving me confidence that I have degree from University of Lokoja. See that he's giving me. I don't even tell it that I can write HTML and CSS, and it's giving me that. So it depends on your job application. Now your cover letter is here. This is super cool. Like, Wow. See it now. It depends on how you structure the question. And then now you can even give it a limit. Like say, let me write not less than 200 word. You understand? Or you can give it the number of what you want. So just send. It will give you you can even give it the exact amount of the word that you want. It will give you that exact word of GPT. So this is how to use ChatGPT. And yeah, like I said in the beginning, that ChatGPT sometimes it might not be available, and like they used to update it every time. So you can always use this playground as an example. So now let me just go to playground. Go to playground by accessing it at the top, and then go to beta.openai.com/playground. That is the playground. So like I said, most of the time ChatGPT is updating. The playground is always available, so you can ask playground everything that you can ask ChatGPT to. It's just a better version of it. So you can say a letter to my boss congratulating his new contract with on the press. So submit. Here you just click on submit, not like ChatGPT. See now it generates a content for you, and see it now. I wanted to use this moment to congratulate you on your new contract secure with Condi Press. It's a great honor to have such prestigious company recognize hard work and dedication. See it now. This is good. This is super cool. So you can just copy it, highlight, copy it, and modify your content, and go use it for what you want to use it for. Great. Now you can tell it to rewrite it again. You understand? Rewrite the above letter. It depends. The same thing you can do like that in ChatGPT. It will help you to rewrite it again. You understand? With another word, with another distance, something like that. So it depends on how you want to, what you want to write. If you use ChatGPT or Playground, both of it almost do the same thing. So at the same time, let's assume you are an entrepreneur, and you want to start a business, and you don't really know how to go about writing your business proposal. But you can just start like this. I want to start a business in logistic industry, for example. Logistic industry, help me write about my company. Business name is Condi Press Logistic, as an example. You send it. Okay, you see it now. Hey, Condi Press Logistic is a new logistic company industry that provide our goods. See it now. That oh god, cool. See now, we have freight, we have sea, we do land transportation. Wow. Our warehousing is cool. Oh my god. This is super cool. And then you can use it to do anything. You can use it to write anything for you. There's no need for you to worry about the writer again. You can do it anyhow you want to do it. See, it's still generating, you know. I'm super glad for this. This content is super cool. You just highlight everything and copy it, and go and use it for what you want to use it for. Copy it to your Microsoft Word or document or anything that you want to write. So guys, I assume that you've logged out before and you come back to your ChatGPT. This is the easy way that you can easily see some of the questions you have asked GPT before. So just click on this icon at the top. These are all the questions that I've asked before. I can easily go back there and see the result that it gave me. Typing this URL every time is kind of difficult. So let me show you how you can easily bookmark the URL and add it to your home screen. Now I'm on iPhone, so I will do this on iPhone for now. If you're on Android, you can just keep for a few minutes in the front. I will do for Android. So now just click on this icon, and we see add to bookmark. Hola, it's already in your bookmark. You can always see the bookmark and mobile bookmark. Always open it anytime, any day. So now at the same time you want to add it to your home screen on iPhone, just click on this, copy it, and then minimize your phone, go to shortcut. On the shortcut now, select new action, select web, and then go to URL, paste this URL that you copy here, paste, and then next give it a name, ChatGPT. Done. Here. And when you open it again, you click on it, you click share. You see here now, you now say add to home screen. You give it a name. You can change the icon if you like. You can put an image to it anyhow you want to design it. You can change the name and add. Now it's in your home screen. So if you minimize, you see it. We have ChatGPT here already. So I can click to open anytime. So this easy way you can do it. Let me just do it for my Android phone. So guys, I'm on Android phone now. Like from your Android phone, to save the URL, you're in the URL tab now. So just click on these three dots. You can always see add to home screen here. It's kind of easy here. So just say new chat, or you can rename it with what you want. Like I want to change this as chat GPT. So add to home screen. Easy. The same way you can bookmark too. If you prefer bookmark, and choose the location that you want to put the bookmark. Yes, and synchronize your data if you want. So, but I don't want to synchronize my own. You can just click on and bookmark it the same way. So now, like if you minimize your phone and you go to your home screen, so you should see ChatGPT there. Now I have ChatGPT here. So if I click, it have opened the ChatGPT for me once. So there's no need for me to be like worry about the URL every time. The same thing you can do like that for Playground. So let me just ask ChatGPT my last question, and give me idea on how to surprise my mom on her birthday. Example. Alright, hola, you send it. So guys, I wish you best of luck. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.